Hello guys, welcome back to a new video from the Adobe Series Photoshop episode 5, and today I am going to teach you how to colorize a specific item. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you how you color things. So we'll start off with the statue layer I have made here, and this is a cutout layer, okay? So it'll make it easy for it to start off with. So we go to hue saturation, right? Okay, here, and well, you can see all these different color things. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on here so it only connects to our statue layer, and I'm gonna click on the reds here because I want these structural. Since it's white, it doesn't really matter which one. Normally I just click cyans if it's white, but it doesn't really matter. I wanted to make it red, so I wanted to affect the reds, of course. So if I were to do this, you can see it gets quite a bit distorted, right? If I click here, it gets a little bit less distorted, but that's because I'm selecting a color in his he has some gray and white areas, but we don't want that, so I'm gonna click on here, down here, and reset that. Right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on here, reds again, colorize, right? And I'm gonna turn this up here. I'm gonna turn this a little bit down, and you can see here now we already have a nice statue, and this is him before, as you can see. Yeah. So yeah, and if I just click on him again, and we go to shadow and highlight shift. No, that's desaturation. I don't want that. I turn down the amount to 0 basically. This up a bit, and then I'm going down to levels. Turn this down, this up a bit, and here this a tiny bit. There we go. And there we go. Now we have a nice statue, and yeah. That's basically how you colorize the simple way. So let's say you haven't cut out anything, okay? That's gonna make it quite harder. It's gonna be quite harder. So I'm gonna make this layer connect to this layer again. I'll just group these so it don't distract you. And I'm gonna color first, okay? So this is the one we're focusing on right now. Great. You just click on something, yeah. Okay, so I can see it's white, right? I want cyan then. Let's say I want cyan. So I'm gonna select his different colors here. Let's say it was just yellow, then you will of course select a yellow. If there was a yellow car here, you will select the yellow car. If there was a green car, you will select the green car, the green color here, okay? That's just how it goes, okay? And then you would take the eyedropper tool and click on the selected one, and you can always move this around too. So yeah, so I have selected that color, but it's not as specific, okay guys, and that's the reason I don't like it as much. So also these colors are not as specific because red is here, and yeah, so you can see where I'm going with this. So well, this is how you will color anything other than the one you had chosen. And then I'll go to adjustment, for example, highlights, turn it down, turn this up quite a bit then, probably, since it's not, yeah. Oh, it was the wrong layer, sorry guys. And then I will do the same as I did before, shadows down, highlights a little bit up, actually no, we'll turn it up until levels, shadows can go, this can go a little bit there, and here, and then there we go. And that's how I would have made this one then. So yeah, but if you ask me, I like this layer even more. So yeah, well, so which one did you like more, this one or this one? You can comment one for this layer or 2 for this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and have a nice time. Goodbye.